Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change image quality modes on the Canon EOS R50 camera. So the first thing that we're going to do is click on the menu button to open up our settings. Then we're going to go to this camera section and then the subsection number 1. And then we're going to use these arrows to navigate to image quality. Then we're going to click set. And here you can change different options. So you can select whichever one you would like to pick. And then once you're done, you can just click on this set button again to apply them. And now once you return out of the menu, the options will be automatically saved. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.